the end of my summer, when I got my offer, I decided to say, you know what, I'll keep this in my back pocket and I'll throw a couple Hail Marys to see if I can land on the buy side. Because obviously at that time it was spend 2 years in banking and then you can recruit for buy side opportunities. So kind of had that in my back pocket and said, all right, that's my backup plan. Let me just throw a couple Hail Marys, see what happens.
How much time did you have to throw those Hail Marys?
I had a few months.
Wow.
You know,
do they
so,
take kids that long nowadays? Do you know?
I don't. I know some schools, and I kind of bluffed a little bit here. So some schools, they basically say you can't put an exploding offer or anything like that. And this I've learned from other people in my summer class when I was talking to them. They mentioned something like that. So I kind of bluffed and said, hey, yeah, my school, I know you don't really recruit from there, but you're not really able to put a time offer. I'm sorry. And they said, okay, no problem. We're used to that. And so I was able to have the entire fall quarter to recruit.
Interesting. Do you recommend people do that, or is that a high risk move?
It depends. You know, it was maybe not the smartest thing to do on my end, but kind of worked out in the end.
Okay. So
really
tell me how you threw those
well.
Hail Marys. What firms were you throwing Hail Marys to, or not maybe the specific firms, but what type of firms were you? I know you said buy side, but specifically, was it hedge funds? Was it private equity, growth equity, VC? What were you looking for specifically, or did you not care? Where you were just like, I want to get on a principal investing type of role?